Hello and welcome to Glittershinenails. Featuring in this video is another stunning plate from Clear Jelly Stamper that I purchased from Nail.supplies, the UK stockist of Clear Jelly Stamper. And this stamping plate is CJS-LC-26 Moorish Motifs, and you can find all the information in the description box on where to purchase from. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel. Thank you. So I have my favourite scraper along with two Clear Jelly Stamper stampers, the Big Bling XL stamper in pink and also the Crystal stamper double-ended with bling. I have 4 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto, and I'm going to be starting with the orange tip. Because I'm going for one of the swatches at the top, I'm actually going to turn the plate sideways. I'll be using 3 Clear Jelly Stamper stamping polishes, yellow 008, red 062 and brown 031. Now I will say that I swatched this plate on a really warm day, which is unusual weather for the UK, and the yellow really didn't want to swatch for me. It was drying just too quick, so it was drying on the stamper. So after a few tries I eventually went off camera and I managed to get it to swatch, and I did that by not removing the excess, so I was a lot quicker. This is the first time I've used Clear Jelly Stamper polishes in warmer weather, so this finished swatch is not great. It's not my usual. Now I've got to learn how to work with these in warmer weather instead of the normal cold weather that the UK has. For the second swatch I'll be using a blue nail tip, and I'll be using 3 different blue Clear Jelly Stamper polishes, which are 007 light blue, 773 pastel blue and 010, which is like a medium blue. This is why I like different shades of blues, pinks and other colours like that. Having the scale of colour just means I can do images like this. The first 2 blues over that blue base is very slight, but it's very pretty. With the third layer I've only managed to get a little bit on the tip. I do wonder if this maybe could have been the wrong colour choices, but in person it is very pretty. For the third swatch I'm going to be using a yellow nail tip, and I'm going to be using 2 Clear Jelly Stamper polishes, 022 orange and red 009, and I'm going to be using one image to make the design, but changing the colour for each line. Now you could put these closer together or apart like I have, but I really like how this looks, and I actually want to create a really bright summer mani using this design. Now I went across the nail, but you could go, if you had smaller nails, down the nail or diagonally. I don't think I've ever done a mani like this before, using a design like this, but it is a beautiful finish though. For the fourth swatch I'm going to be using a white nail tip, and I'm going to be using one of the ends of the Crystal stamper for this swatch, along with 3 Clear Jelly Stamper polishes, which are 005 pink, 040 plum and 018 purple. In the end I decided to go with the smallest stamper from the Crystal stamper. Some of these smaller images at the bottom do have larger ones further up the plate, and this stamper works perfectly for small images like this. This design is the smaller one of the blue one that I did a few tips ago. I would actually really like to do a whole nail built with just little ones like this, but change the colours in them. I think that would look cool. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to my photo swatches. that I've taken and the money that I've created from this amazing stamping plate. CJS-LC-26 Moorish Motifs is Moroccan and Spanish inspired. I think it's absolutely stunning, and I can't actually think of another plate that I own that is like this. In total, as always, I've swatched every image, which has made 22 swatches. They do range in size from the really large ones to the very, very tiny ones as well. But each design has so much detail to them. For these swatches, I've used the Big Bling XL stamper that you saw me use earlier, and I've only used clear jelly stamper stamping polishes. CJS-LC-26 is going to make some absolutely stunning summer to late summer manis. And as you've seen from the swatches, they have all worked really, really well. I was blown away by this plate. Now, if you like this style of design for your manis, you need this in your collection. It is just a stunning plate to work with. And I must say before I finish that one of these swatches I've placed on the pop stick sideways, just so that you could see the whole image, because if you'd have put it the way that it lays on the plate, you wouldn't have got much on your nail. But I have to say, I actually think I prefer it this way, and it's actually the gold pop stick. I think it just looks better that way. It's just my thoughts, but I just think it looks better that way. So for the mani, because social media is full of yellow manis, I really, really wanted to try one. And I loved two of the yellow swatches that I did, so I decided to put them together. This is the only yellow based nail polish that I can wear with my skin tone that doesn't make me look washed out. But I love how this mani has turned out. I think hubby's words were, "Wow, that's bright." But I love it though, I think it's stunning. All of my swatches, my mani that I've created from CJS-LC-26 will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days. You can find the link in the description box below. Thank you for viewing this swatch review on CJS-LC-26 Moorish Motifs. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.